Yeah, that would have been an awesome shot.
Yeah, so this is CN 327. Yeah, there's two CP trains waiting to come through. Yeah, there's one on the east and one on the west. Yeah. Quagmire of trains over here.
Hey, Quagmire.
He's really going slow, man. No, they put the ditch lights off because they don't want to blind other trains. This is Marshall Avenue. No, he might even stop. With Elton and Ben. Yeah. And there's our CSX locomotive. He's stopping, I think. Yeah, but the CSX train always stops there.
Really?
Yeah. And I've seen it enough times. CP coming. Awesome. Awesome. This is the CP Westbound. With CN 327 behind it on the CN tracks. So there will be a 2-for-1 here, hopefully.
Wow, that's awesome.
That's awesome. I've never had that before, where you have a CSX over there. No, but CSX is over there. I've never had that before.
Yeah, usually when you get two freights together, it's a CN or CP.
Yeah, right. Well, I'm usually on the other side as well, too.
Also, someone unusual back here stopped here and waited straight up.
Yeah.
Must have gotten his conductor on now.
He did, I guess. I think they want this out of the way before the commuter comes, and then after the commuter comes, they're going to have the other guy coming eastbound, because there's a guy waiting. Yeah, 118 is sitting in the hole.
Yeah.
That's what they'll do. Yeah, they'll sometimes cut off cars and leave it there. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, this is 119. Yeah, with all these hoppers and stuff. Yeah. That's right. That's pretty common for that, though. Yeah. But sometimes you'll have 2 DPUs and then one on the end.
That's also
Yeah, exactly. The CSX is still there too. Yeah.
You guys see that box car?
What?
Another one there. A couple of them that say CP rail on them, and I look at the builder sticker as it went by, or like the builder mark, it said 1979.
Wow. But they're always old, that's the thing.
Well, not always, but there are old ones still out there.
You were saying to me one time that like train cars, generally freight cars last like usually 25, 30 years.
Oh, sure, yeah. There are 40-year-old cars sitting out there. Yeah. These things are like 40 years old.
I heard about a short line railroad in the States where they have a specific customer that has certain sets of box cars that
They can't interchange them, yeah.
They can't use those rails because
Yeah.
they're so old.
Yeah.
It's kind of like cool with commercial jetliners, right? They can't really be older than 20.
Yeah.
327 is departing.
That's gone? Of course, I can't see it now because of these auto racks.
I'll get to see it in a second. Good timing. There you go.
Oh, good. But this is just about to leave then. It's leaving now. Okay.
That's common shape as well. That's common here.
Yeah.
Yes, 44A. The only difference is that they have one less traction motor per truck.
No, these people are like electric this and that. Electric's pretty boring. Boring to high house.
Well, have you seen these battery-powered locomotives they have now?
Yeah.
The big ones. I mean, road locomotives.
He makes one, yeah, or
Yeah.
Wabtec, I should say.
Wabtec, yeah.
And then CP has that rebuilt SD40-2F that's been built up as a hydrogen locomotive.
Yeah.
It's actually kind of interesting.
That probably has more traction.
That's different. That's taking
I would think that has more traction.
It's a power traction motor, so it's still electric for the green.
Well, yeah, but they're all diesel electrics.
It's not battery electric. It's
Yeah,
hydrogen
it's hydrogen electric. I think that has more potential than actually the battery.
possible, but hydrogen's more expensive. That's why battery electric is a lot more prevalent. It's cheaper.
But most railroads haven't liked the battery locomotives too much. I mean, even the yard goats haven't been really popular.
Well, I haven't heard much about. You mean like gensets? Or?
Yeah, gensets. Well, gensets are diesel.
Generators,
Gensets are diesel. I'm talking about the green goats and those ones that are battery-powered locomotives.
I'm not aware of those. Actually.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've seen. Oh, maybe I have.
Check online. I don't know any model numbers
You know
off.
why they don't
went
just
by,
take a book or take a
Cadrail
page
Yeah.
out of Europe's book and just have overhead
Ben
wires?
noticed there was a Port of Montreal slug.
There's a slug there.
Yeah, not only that, I was more disappointed when I saw that one of those HEP 1 cars was graffiti.
Well, those
Yeah, but they'll
cars on the
clean it
side
up.
Are scrapped. Those
They're
ones are
scrapped anyway. Yeah.
They were given to Cadrail for structural testing, but they're going to go to scrap afterwards. So
Were there any locomotives around at CADRail that you could photograph, or are they just?
well, we couldn't photograph because we couldn't find a place close enough to park. But there was a CN 4722. I think it's a Jeep.
Yeah.
It's a Jeep 38. There's that NBSR Jeep 38 that's still there.
I would love to see the NBSR
Yeah,
there.
it's close to the road, but
Yeah?
again, we couldn't really park anywhere. We went down this little street after the viaduct, but it's like really sketch, so I'm like,
Right.
not parking there.
But is it? Can you view it from Victoria Avenue or not? It's guess not, eh?
You can see it from the surface from
Yeah.
next to the highway.
Okay.
Victoria Avenue.
Yeah. No. Victoria is on the other side.
Oh no, it's on the opposite side.
Yeah.
It's next to the highway. Like I said, there's the CN Jeep there. It's right next to the NBSR one. There was a CPKC 44 as well, but there's always AC.
Yeah, they're all there all the time.
They're always there.
That's a long
Bloody toasters.
No, it's a Monday CSX train. What's cool is they have heritage units on CSX now.
Yeah, they just brought it. They just released the Conrail one.
Yeah.
Which is interesting now.
I'll be honest, it doesn't look that great because of the blues. They kind of clash with each other, but
Yeah, but at the same time, I understand people's criticism, but I also kind of like that they're doing something different. It's kind of their own twist on
Yeah.
the heritage and thing. I kind of like that.
no, I thought it
appreciate
was
that it's
cool.
different.
But I thought what they should have done is ended the dark blue
Yeah.
at the locomotive cab. You know, that's what I thought.
I really like the Chessie and the Seaboard ones because
Yeah.
Chessie,
because
Seaboard,
there's a
CSX.
contrast. I wish that CSX, instead of putting that box around the CSX, would put the cat in the C again. It would look better.
That would be cool. That would be a
It just
nod.
occurred to me.
Yeah.
I know why there's such a delay now with these freights.
Why?
I guarantee it's the same thing with the Vias. It's because of the heat.
It could be, eh?
Restriction. It has
Yeah.
to be.
It could
Speed
be.
restrictions.
Yeah, because
That's why
CN is strict
Amtrak
on
canceled
that.
the Adirondack because of heat restrictions on the Rouse's Point stuff.
Come on, 2 freights going west, going slower to Laval. That's rare. I don't think.
Well,
I've
he's
ever-
also running behind the other one.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
He's running on approaches.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like 28 right
The
now.
CP was going at track speed. He was picking up speed. But mind you, CP has a higher track speed here than CN. It's just
You would
normal.
think CN would have a higher track speed since they host all the VIA trains.
No, but for some reason, CP they always seem to have a higher track speed when they run their trains out of Montreal. They're always flying off the island.
Mm-hmm.
Or even coming in. Yeah, pretty short. Seems longer than it was.
Yeah, well, it's longer because it's
slow.
creeping. That's why
But
it's
it's very short.
creeping train.
Jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those beepers?
Well, you know why he's probably going slow is he got the signal to get onto the main line, but then his next signal might be stopped.
It could be. You never.
Might be holding to switch tracks into. Probably what's happening. My estimate. The first CN that came by was on the south track. He's coming off the connecting track and going onto the north track, and then at the next signal he's supposed to go onto the south track.
Oh, crash!
Speeding up now.
Yeah, he's running the slack out, so he's gonna go now.
So now he just got a signal to turn out onto the south track to run behind the first CN.
Yeah.
Because he needs to be on the south track to go onto the Valleyfield sub in Koto.
That's right.
So he's running behind the other CN, so he has to go slow.
He's got to go around it. Yeah.
He has to run slow till the other one clears up. Running on approaches.
All right, so that's the end of this train then.